Hey guys, it's Joy, Wearable Geology, and check out this stone. This stone is actually perfect for a Cancer, Libra, or Scorpio. Can anyone tell me what it is? If you can, type it in the chat below. I'd be interested to know. I had an attempt earlier. This is video number 2. We're going to be working with this stone. This beautiful butterfly. I made a bail, but it got all bent out of shape here. You can't see it. It's not in focus. There we go. So yeah, we'll have to redo that. These guys are up for grabs for any custom pieces. So if you are interested in a pendant of your own, or if this one's sold out, you can reach out to me via email and I'll post that in the link below. All right, guys, I've given you guys enough time to guess, and I will tell you what it is. This is pink moonstone. Beautiful, gorgeous, lovely, carved pink moonstone. You can hardly see it in the light. You'll see it in the sunlight a little better. Pink moonstone is associated with improvements of one's intuition, and psychic talents. So if you're really looking to dive deeper within yourself, and I think psychic talents go just with being sensitive and aware of the energies that are around us. Really oh, I'm sorry. I'm taken away by the beauty of this stone. All right, guys. We'll get going on it. I really want this to be a simplistic wrap. That's what I'm all about, is like the minimal wrap, just to showcase the stone. So I have about 2 pieces. There's 2 pieces of 18 gauge pure copper, and they are about maybe 6 to 7 inches long. And this one I'm going to use for the back. The shorter one I'm going to use for the back. Again, and I have an idea. I'm going to be using 2 wires, one for the front to hold it in, one for the back to hold it in, and then I'm going to weave each corner. That's what I'm feeling. And then have the whole back weaved, and then leave the front with my hammered look, which really looks awesome. And I think that'll give it a nice look. So let's see what happens. I do some final cutting, but it came out really cool looking. So, some more about Moonstone. Moonstone is a stone for new beginnings. It helps with inner growth and will give you the strength to take the steps towards your new life, your new change. Moonstone is a beautiful stone. Feels so good. The energies are amazing in that. I say that about every stone though, because, well, I love them all. They all have such good feels to them. Anyway, it's time to cut these little tails off. The cage looks a little short in the face, but we'll see. Good morning, everybody. All right, so started to work on this last night. And well, now I have different it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna keep going, see what happens. So guys, this came out pretty cool. A real simple open back. Yeah, I like it. So if anybody's resonating with this pendant, please reach out to me. Moonstone. It enhances your intuition by promoting success and good fortune. Oh, I should say, well, good fortune in love and in business matters. So, if this stone is resonating with you guys, please give me a comment. Email me. My link is in the comments below or in below the video. And also a link to my website with some of my other beautiful pieces there. We're going to do this one on a brand new style of copper necklace that I have. So tune in for that, guys. Anyway, this has been Joy with Wearable Geology, and it's been fun playing with this moonstone. And if you guys like my video, please comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from. That would be awesome. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. That would be great too. This is my new channel, and if you feel compelled to subscribe, I'd be so honored. So guys, reach out to me if you want me to make you a beautiful, loving, healing crystal pendant. Anyway, guys, take care. Have a beautiful day. Bye.